Want powerful, hassle-free cleaning without the cord? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best cordless vacuum cleaners on Amazon, perfect for quick cleanups, whole home use, and pet hair battles. From strong suction and long battery life to lightweight designs and versatile attachments, these vacuums make cleaning faster and easier. Stick around to find the best one for your space. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our top home cleaning and smart tech picks. At number 1 we have ElecKeys Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless vacuum cleaner uses an upgraded 600 watts brushless motor, providing powerful suction of 50 kPa at a high speed of 170,000 revolutions per minute. It delivers excellent cleaning performance and easily handles everyday messes. Effortlessly picks up debris and dust on floors, pet hair on carpets, and dust in corners, walls, and high places, all with noise less than 65 decibels. No more worries when cleaning large homes. This cordless vacuum cleaner is powered by 8 times 2,200 mAh high-capacity lithium batteries. It fully charges in 4 hours and runs up to 70 minutes in hard floor mode, covering about 2,000 square feet. This cordless vacuum cleaner is equipped with an LED smart touchscreen and physical buttons. It allows you to easily switch suction modes for effective floor and carpet cleaning. Large icons clearly display the working status and remaining battery in real time, helping you plan cleaning time and maintenance more efficiently. This cordless vacuum cleaner supports one-click disassembly, making it easy to switch to handheld mode. At number 2 we have Candy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. These 3 cleaning modes can help you meet most of your daily cleaning needs and make your environment fresh and clean effortlessly. For example, clean up pet hair, pet fur, pet food, cereal and crumbs that have fallen on hardwood, carpets, sofa and ceramic tile. Candy Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner delivers up to 65 minutes in handheld mode. This stick vacuum with 400 watts/190 all power, the versatile floor brush and handheld design. Its advanced cyclone tech makes sure it picks up dirt powerfully and consistently, getting super deep cleans. This cordless upright vacuum can monitor remaining battery in real time to eliminate range anxiety. LED panel clearly indicates the 3 operating modes. The LED lights reveal hidden dust on the floor for a more thorough clean. Candy vacuum head consists of 3 different lengths, harnesses of V-shaped rollers and wiper blades. This cordless vacuum can prevent hair wrap and clean various floors. It greatly reduces how often you bend for brush cleaning, ensuring an effortless clean. At number 3 we have Shark Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Shark Power Pro IZ377H provides hypervelocity suction in a lightweight, maneuverable design. Its power fins multi-surface nozzle digs deep into carpets and directly engages hard floors for continuous cleaning contact. It comes equipped with Floor Detect technology, which detects floor type and automatically adjusts brush roll speed for maximized performance on all surfaces. It also has a self-cleaning brush roll to ensure no hair wrap, great for pet owners. It provides up to 50 minutes of runtime to ensure you have enough power to clean your entire home. Its HEPA filtration system and anti-allergen complete seal capture and trap over 99.97% of dust and allergens, keeping them out of the air you breathe. The LED headlights enable illumination of dark areas to easily spot dust and small debris. If you need to clean furniture, countertops, or other hard-to-reach places, it converts easily into a hand vacuum. Attachable accessories include the 8 crevice tool. At number 4 we have Dyson Submarine Wet Dry Vacuum. Dyson Deep Cleaning Power now washes hard floors. All in one machine. Advanced Dyson vacuum technology provides 100% more power, superscript 1 and up to 60 minutes of runtime. Squared. Fluffy optic cleaner head reveals 2x more hidden dust on hard floors. Cube digital motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and detangles hair. Submarine cleaner head washes hard floors and removes the wet and dry debris simultaneously. The Submarine cleaner head's motorized wet roller picks up liquids, debris and tough stains, which are continuously extracted from the roller with each rotation. Washes with clean water from start to finish. Compatible with gentle, common floor detergents when used in accordance with usage guidance. 5. The Submarine cleaner head covers over 1,000 square feet with a 300 milliliters water tank. The full-width brush bar cleans edge to edge, maneuvers easily around obstacles and reaches low under furniture. While dry vacuuming, the Dyson V15S Detect intelligently adapts suction based on debris and floor type detected. At number 5 we have Fieety Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience next-level home cleaning with this cordless vacuum cleaner powered by a market-leading 650 watts brushless motor delivering an impressive 55 PSI suction force. With 4 adjustable suction modes, it effortlessly removes dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets, hard floors, and every surface in between, while operating quietly at just 62 decibels to maintain a peaceful home environment. Designed for whole house performance, it easily handles spaces up to 2,000 square feet with powerful and consistent cleaning results. The upgraded removable 8-cell high-capacity battery provides up to 70 minutes of runtime in eco mode, 40 minutes in standard mode, and 20 minutes in boost mode, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge. A convenient charging storage dock fully recharges the battery in just 4 hours, and with an optional spare battery, runtime can extend up to 130 minutes. The innovative 180 degrees foldable tube and flexible 3.3 FT hose allow effortless cleaning under beds, sofas, and low furniture without bending or heavy lifting. At number 6 we have iXlion Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The iXlion Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with 45,000 pascals powerful suction easily removes dust, debris, and pet hair from hardwood floors, carpets, and tiles. Perfect for family homes, apartments, and pet owners who need fast, efficient cleaning every day. Includes a crevice nozzle, brush head, and LED roller for flexible cleaning. This lightweight stick vacuum handles sofas, stairs, and cars with ease, ideal for homes with kids, pets, or small living spaces. The upgraded anti-tangle roller prevents hair wrapping and removes pet fur effortlessly. LED headlights illuminate under furniture, making this cordless vacuum a must-have for pet owners and long-hair households. Easily switch between low, medium, and high power levels with a single button to match different cleaning needs, from daily dusting to deep carpet cleaning. This lightweight cordless stick vacuum weighing just a few pounds, the adjustable telescopic tube fits adults, seniors, and teens, making it easy for everyone to clean stairs, furniture, and corners without bending or fatigue. At number 7 we have Natrogix Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless vacuum cleaner for home provides max 45 minutes runtime eco mode and 3 suction modes to switch. Our cordless stick vacuum cleaner can wall-mounted charging or individually for 4 hours, if you need extra battery that can be purchased together with the vacuum. Natrogix Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with 2025 upgraded powerful 450 watts motor supply up to 40 per suction. And it can easily switch between 3 adjustable suction modes on various surfaces, effectively removing dirt, pet hair and debris on carpets, hardwood floors and furniture. The stick vacuum cordless rechargeable features color display that clearly displays suction levels and remaining battery. The advanced sensor system adds tangle reminder, so if hair gets tangled or large particles get stuck in the floor brush affecting use, a red warning instantly appears on screen. Natrogix A40 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features an V-shaped brush that prevents hair tangles, soft bristles protect hard floors without scratching, and hard bristles deep clean carpets. At number 8 we have Coovy SU7 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful 580 watts brushless motor and smart suction, 50 kilopascals max. Our SU7 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers industry-leading 50 kilopascal suction power. The smart suction system automatically adjusts power from 30 to 50 kilopascals based on detected debris, 30 to 50 kilopascals in manual modes. Our 6-stage HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Extended 80-minute runtime. The 8x2500 mAh battery provides up to 80 minutes of runtime in eco mode, 30 kilopascals. The stick vacuum cleaner offers adaptive runtime options, 20 to 60 minutes, auto, 40 minutes, standard 40 kilopascals, and 20 minutes, max 50 kilopascals. The system includes status alerts and low power protection features. Interactive LED touchscreen. The touchscreen displays real-time information about battery life, suction mode, and error codes. Users can enjoy one-touch switching between auto/smart mode and 4 manual power levels. The dashboard provides cleaning analytics and maintenance reminders. Integrated LED headlights reveal hidden dust in dark spaces. At number 9 we have UNINELL Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The UV2 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features a powerful 550 watts brushless motor that generates 48,000 pascals of powerful suction, ensuring zero power loss. With up to 65 minutes of extended runtime, this rechargeable stick vacuum effortlessly cleans your entire 2,000-plus square foot home on a single charge. Say goodbye to frustrating hair wrap. The innovative V-shaped tangle-resistant roller brush of the vacuum cleaners for home actively prevents pet hair from clinging. A built-in green searchlight on the brush head of the vacuum exposes hidden dust bunnies and pet hair under furniture, making this the ultimate stick vacuum cleaner for pet hair. Stay in complete control with the intuitive LED screen. This cordless vacuum's display clearly shows the battery level and provides immediate malfunction alerts for brush roll blockages and air duct clogs, saving you time and guesswork. Weighing only 2.1 pounds, this lightweight and portable household vacuum cleaner is incredibly easy to carry. Its unique dual-handle design allows for multiple comfortable grip positions to significantly reduce arm strain. At number 10 we have SVHT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner for home is equipped with a powerful motor, providing up to 40% suction power, effortlessly tackle embedded dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The cordless design allows cordless stick vacuum cleaner to reach corners and even underneath sofas and low furniture, ensuring every corner is thoroughly cleaned. This cordless vacuum cleaner features a high-capacity rechargeable battery providing up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning on eco mode, 20 minutes on max mode. This vacuum cleaner has 2 suction modes to switch freely, meet your different cleaning needs. Clean your entire home on a single charge. With advanced green light tech on this stick vacuum cordless rechargeable, leaving dust nowhere to hide, exposing every dust particle, clean more thoroughly. This vacuum cordless features an upgraded cyclone tech and high-density filter, 8-stage complete sealed filtration system to capture 99.9% of microdust as small as 0.01 microns, avoid secondary pollution.